Hey guys, it's Honey Bunny 305 and this is Kid Bunny 36. Hi! And as you guys noticed that we're outside right now.
And so I'm gonna be Kid 10 for like Kid 10.
Yep.
Like Kid Bunny 10. And look what we made.
Yep. We made a tent.
This is my tent that I'm gonna have to make every single day when I'm at Boy Scouts. But
Yep.
does it look like an inflatable?
Yep. So,
We're gonna show you the inside.
what should we do next? Comment down below.
The
So, my brother is trying to find the sleeves of the tent.
Yes. Like, look how massive this tent is. Like, I'm gonna go over here and show you guys. Like, look how long this tent is. And it's still going. Like, look. So, guys, it's Kid Bunny 36. It's Kid Bunny 36, and I'm trying to locate the sleeves
Right now.
so I can tell our dad about where the sleeves are. I can locate them, and the first sleeve I find, and is it an A sleeve?
I stepped on something pointy.
Look, here's the instruction. If I find any folds just like that, see, from point A to point C is where I have to locate the sleeves. So we can know where the sleeves are when we go camping.
Alright,
So my dad is using the poles through the sleeves and through the loops, aka hooks.
Wait, this is short.
And it's a red tent and black. And it's gray.
Can I clip this one?
As you guys know that I hurt myself right there.
Should I clip it onto the middle or should I clip it off the
just
middle?
clip it and we'll figure it out as we go.
Just look how big that tent is. Evie! 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 I know Evie. And we're
Everybody 305, please me so we can tell them that we finally found the.
sleeves.
So, are you still recording?
Yep.
Is it at me?
Mhm.
So, guys, we finally found the sleeves. And
Through the bug.
we were like, oh hey, these clips are the sleeves. Let's try them out. Oh wait, no they're not. And we finally found the sleeve.
Bless you.
Thanks, everybody. 305. And guys, we're gonna show you what it looks like on the inside of the tent when we're done making it.
So guys, as you guys hear, my brother Kid Bunny 36 said that he and my dad finally found the sleeves, and he thought that the hooks are sleeves, but nope, they're just the hooks, you know? So if you guys want to know why Kid Bunny 36 and Honey Bunny 305's dad are doing this. So as you guys can see that Kid Bunny 36 and my dad are building a tent right now, and soon I'll give them like the metal, these.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I think this part is top.
Hey Kid Bunny 36, here you go.
I don't need them, Honey Bunny 305.
But you might need them.
Only get them if we say your name and he'll say what we get. You get. And if we say Honey Bunny 305, can you get the steaks?
And I'll say sure. As you guys noticed, I'm in my pajamas right now, and you guys thought I'm gonna join them in this camping part. But nope, I changed my mind of doing the camping part for some reason.
Like when our mom is at work, you don't need to come, but if it's a meeting, wait, hey Dad,
Yeah.
can nobody three of us stay home if it's like a meeting? Because meetings are not that long.
I know, meetings are fine.
For like camping trips.
Well, Mom's home, she can stay home with her. Now, next Saturday, I might be working, so she might have to take all of you there until I can show up. See?
Okay. If you guys want to see my brother and my dad inside the tent, comment below what are we supposed to do next after they built the tent. Okay? As you guys can see that my brother is yep. And I'm trying to help him, but he does not want help. Just saying. You know what I meant?
Oh, got it.
And my brother and my dad are doing the other side. For some reason, you know what I meant? Just saying.
I think.
Maybe.
That what he did.
Yeah, we're gonna try sticking them in here, see what happens.
Okay.
Alright, so see if you can find a metal loop on the other side. Yeah, that's fine.
I heard crows for some reason. La, da, da, da.
Now,
Oh.
okay. We're gonna stick these here. No, that's not what I want.
What did you say, Kid Bunny 36?
I want to know where you were.
I was showing everyone that this thing made a noise, man. Guys, look at my brother's face.
Don't do that ever again. Stop it. Try to do it.
Jump off.
No.
Found it.
So while we're waiting for them to finish building the tent, I am gonna ride my scooter for a bit, you know? So guys, it has been an hour later and my brother and my dad made the tent. You know? And do you guys want to see the inside?
Here's the tour of the tent. Okay, open it. Okay, come inside, and this is what it looks like inside, but there's even more stuff inside. Hi, bye, 305. Can you hold the phone? I mean, the camera. Hold the camera. Wait, hold on. Can you hold the camera?
Sure. And you guys see that my brother and my dad are cleaning the tent. Isn't that crazy? So guys, if you want to see part 2 of my brother's tour, comment down below of what my brother is supposed to do next.
Yes, and look at inside. Hey, how's that inside? Just follow me and we can do the tour.
You said there's supposed to be 2 rooms.
That's what I thought there was gonna be 2 rooms. Nope.
But there's only 1 room.
So, can you do the tour?
So, sure. So, this is what my brother and my dad will be sleeping in. And electronics can be in the pockets, as you guys noticed.
Hey guys, I'm done cleaning out the tent. Now I'm gonna put all the stuff that we have in the tent, like out of the tent.
Like,
Everything in the bag that you don't need. So like we're packing up for like Boy Scouts for like the tent. But I might be wondering, what did Termination pack in his bag when he went to Boy Scouts? Like, what did his mom pack in the bag? But wait, was that the tent, I think? Hey, can you take this inside?
sure. Do you guys like the clean tent now?
Yeah, we're remaking the tour.
Yep. It was dirty.
We forgot some parts and like a lot of stuff. Like we forgot about this.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't forget. It's so stretchy. Wait, hold on. Media case. Look. Where's my flashlight? But not today. Cause
Maybe on Sunday?
wait, hold on. This can hold like all my accessories.
Yep. Including a phone.
Hey, look at your phone can fit in there.
Including a phone. Let's see.
Hold on.
Oh, guys, we have to show you something like so cool. It will be like so cool. So cool. Like, isn't that right, bro?
Yes. Hey guys, we're in the tent right now. And look what we have right here. It's blurry in here, but we're not gonna put you in there. We're gonna put you in the net.
Yep. Why not?
Because I really don't like when I get touched. So we're gonna put you in here to see if you think it's cool. Okay, we're just gonna drop you guys in.
Oh.
Wait, that's really low. I'm gonna pick you guys up. I think we should not do that. 100 by 305.
Yeah, let's not. So, if you guys want to see part 2, comment, like, and subscribe. And this is the end of our video. Like and subscribe and comment down below
What we should do next.
Yeah. So, peace to the out. Bye.